Hello, I'm Crafter Wong. Welcome to the episode of Craft Along with Crafter Wong. In this episode, I'm making Quaxly. Yeah, definitely not Donald Duck. Definitely the new Gen 9 starter for Pokemon. Yeah, unlike Sprigatito Fricoco, I don't have anything to say about this Pokemon. I'm excited to see what the fun evolution is going to look like. Hopefully it's like a pirate or some sort of sailor captain, because I think that'd be pretty cool, but I'll just have to wait and see. Again, like Fricoco, I'm going to try to make this video as easy as possible so people who don't know how to make papercrafts can build this model with me. Anyways, if you want to build this model with me, you can download the templates in the first link in the description. Since you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you're using this video to build this model, please let me know if it was useful. And with that out of the way, let's begin building. Alrighty then, like the Fricoco video, I'm going to place the templates on the left hand side of the screen so that I can annotate to show you where all the tabs go in this model. First thing you're going to do is you're going to build the head for this model, which is these 5 pieces. You are not going to attach this last piece until you attach the hat and the beak to the head. Why? Because then you can place pressure from inside the head onto the beak and to the hat, making it easier to glue those 2 pieces to the head. For the head, you're basically just making a sphere, and what you're going to do is you're going to attach this tab here, this non-tab section here, and wrap this second piece around this circle. You're going to do the same thing for the eyes, but this tab is going to attach to this non-tab here. And then when you move down to the mouth, you're going to do one thing different. You're going to attach this tab here to make the little side fur beak. I don't know what this is called, but let's say this is a side like puff of feather thing. Well, you're going to attach that piece there, making sure to fold these 2 lines here. And then you're going to attach this tab, this non-tab's in here, and then wrap this piece around that one. For the beak, this is very, very simple. You're going to attach these pieces to each other, and that's it. That's the end of the beak. I'm not going to say anything else to it. But again, if you can make the head for the hat, it's a very, very similar concept. You're going to attach this tab, that non-tab section piece there, and you're going to wrap the what do you call it, the thinner line thing, the non-circular part, around the circular part, and do the same thing for the other pieces there. For the little visor part of the hat, you're just going to glue this tab to there, and you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to follow the tabs along the line so that the visor is glued to the hat. For the first page, these two pieces here are the 2 legs, and all you're going to do is you're going to fold these lines here and attach this tab to that non-tab section and that tab to the non-tab section. We'll get back to that part later. Once the head is done, you're going to move on to the body. I have to admit, if you're building this lineless, it looks like this, and it's hard to build this model without having the templates up next to you. So I recommend that you either do that, or you just build this line. First, you're going to build this middle piece here. Don't forget to attach these two pieces to each other. Then, you're going to attach the front part of the body to this top part here through these 4 tabs. Then, you're going to build the back part of the body, gluing this piece to here and this piece to here, and then attaching these 4 tabs to the main part of the body. Next, you're going to build the wings or something, which is just simply attaching this piece to here and this piece to here for both of these, and then attaching this, the shorter side to the front, and then the longer side to there, and then it should go into place very simply. Once you have that main structure done, you're going to attach the next piece there and wrap it around like you did with the head and the hat. Then you're going to build this front piece. I don't know, it's just simply attaching this to there and then these pieces to each other to make it look like a heart. And then lastly, you're going to attach the head to this body created, and then closing the model with this piece here. Lastly, you're going to place the 2 legs that you made earlier in the model and anywhere so the model can stand by itself. Alrighty, that's the end of the video. Go home. I mean, no one's here anyway, so I don't know who I'm talking to because my average view time is about 1.5 minutes, so no one's here. But if you are, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for sticking around. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if this video was helpful and being able to learn how to make these models yourself. Hopefully you stick around, and until next time, bye-bye.